The LFA series is built for light and far adventure. That's what LFA stands for. It's designed for riders who understand the value of light, compact, and thoughtfully designed motorcycle luggage. At ViaTerra, we have spent years refining and reducing the weight and bulk of our luggage systems. That continuous process of iteration and real-world testing became the foundation of the LFA series. The goal was simple: create a luggage system that has minimal impact on how your motorcycle rides and feels, while still carrying the essentials you need to confidently take on long journeys and unpredictable terrain. A lighter motorcycle is simply easier and more enjoyable to ride. It handles better, feels more responsive, and gives you the confidence to take the road less traveled. Your luggage should support that experience, not compromise it. When luggage is lighter, more compact, and positioned correctly, that means greater control, less fatigue, and a better riding experience overall. For us, lightness wasn't just about carrying less gear. We believed the luggage itself should reflect the same minimalist philosophy. That meant carefully selecting materials that offered the right balance of durability, weather resistance, and low weight. We used genuine Cordura fabric for its proven ruggedness and long-term durability. We also chose X-Pack, a 4-layer performance fabric originally developed for yacht sails. It's incredibly lightweight while still offering excellent tear resistance and structural strength. The LFA saddlebags also use a rackless design, eliminating the need for heavy pannier racks or mounting stays. Less hardware means less weight, less bulk, and a cleaner setup overall. On the tank bags, we redesigned the organization system to make packing more intuitive and space efficient, while still keeping essentials easy to access on the move. The LFA saddlebags use a universal strap-based mounting system that works across most motorcycles. Each side features a weatherproof main compartment with a roll-top closure that not only protects your gear but also helps compress and stabilize the load. The outer zippered pocket keeps frequently used items easily accessible. The central bridge section acts as a modular expansion platform. You can mount the included holster using its dedicated attachment points, or use the MOLLE webbing to add accessories and customize your setup. That could mean adding the LFA tail bag, pod expanders, a toll pack pro, or even camping gear. For the tank bags, the harness-based mounting system provides excellent stability while also allowing quick and easy mounting or removal. The harness is universal across most motorcycles, and both the LFA tank bags can be mounted using the same harness. That also means when you take the tank bag off the bike, there are no loose mounting straps or bulky hardware to deal with. The biggest difference between the Enduro and the cross-country, XC in short, is capacity. The smaller Enduro saddlebags offer approximately 16 liters of total storage. They are ideal for trail riding and lightweight travel, while also improving weight distribution compared to the traditional tail-mounted luggage. The Enduro tank bag offers around 5 liters of capacity. It is designed specifically for riders who want minimal interference while standing or moving aggressively on the bike. The larger XC saddlebags increase total storage to approximately 26 liters, while the XC tank bag offers around 8 liters of capacity. Despite the added storage, both the XC options still maintain a compact footprint, making them ideal for riders who want extra convenience and flexibility, especially on longer tours. The LFA tail bag adds another 15 liters of storage for riders planning extended days on the road. The LFA series is designed with seasoned adventure travelers in mind, riders who value the experience of exploration above everything else. These are riders who have traveled with heavy luggage systems, experimented with reducing gear, and discovered just how much lighter, better balanced setups improve the journey. That's entirely up to you. The LFA series has been developed as a modular system with multiple configurations, allowing you to tailor your setup based on your motorcycle, riding style, and trip requirements. You can scale capacity up or down depending on the ride ahead. Minimalist travel isn't always easy, but unless you work towards it, you never really discover how rewarding it can be. Our hope is that the LFA series helps more riders find that ideal balance, so they can ride lighter, ride farther, and embrace the adventures waiting beyond the highway.